strong.
Hey guys, Zacian here, back for another video, and today's video I've got something quite exciting. Finally I was able to get my hands on both the Zacian and Zamazenta ETBs, the gold black versions, which I've actually been had my eye on these for a while now. So if I can just grab something to quickly open them. Now these boxes aren't cheap, they're more expensive than the regular ETBs. But yeah, I had my eye on these for a while and finally was able to get the ones to finally crack these boys open. So let's do Zamazenta first, since Zamazenta is my favorite album. So already the box itself pretty sweet. In this box you get 6 metal damage counter dice, 1 metal coin, 12 boosters, and a code card. Already the box is pretty big. Oh yeah, here's our little seasons player guide, which also looks pretty snazzy. We also have the gold cards in here too, I believe. Yeah, a special gold version of Zamazenta V. There we go. Oh, these are actually quite heavy. Oh my god. They've got some weight to them. Our metal coin. That looks pretty nice. And our metal damage counters. These are actually really heavy. Oh my god. And our another player's guide. And if I just take this out, we have some special borders which actually look a lot better than the regular borders, because they have these at the very middle top. I'll put them over there. Some nice gold black sleeves. Here's a code card for you online players. And last but not least is our Zamazenta card. It actually does look really nice. Pop them here. And here's our 12 packs. So in here we have 3 Vivid Voltage, 3 Darkness Ablaze, 5 Darkness Ablaze, 3 Rebels Clash, and 1 basic Sword and Shield set. So I'll just put these here. Now I'm gonna quickly open up the other box, so I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, a Zamazenta coin. These dice are like gold and black, while the Zacians are black and gold, which looks pretty cool. And then damage die counters are still the same. Pretty sure we have the same number of packs. Yeah, 3 Vivid Voltage, 5 Darkness Ablaze, 3 Rebels Clash, and 1 Sword and Shield basic. And our nice looking Zamazenta V. which I'm just gonna put up here with not Zacian V. And alright, up here's the code cards. Oh, and the nice looking doggo sleeves. So, shall we start off with yeah, let's go with this. Let's start off with the basic sword and shield. Just move the camera back to where it used to be. Should have, oh, there they are. Should have my scissors to then pop open. Though it's been so long, I don't even know what's in Darkness Ablaze and the basic sword and shield set. There you go. So, we'll find out together. I will move these packs over to this side. Pseudo-Widow, Glass, Energy Search, Goldeen, Roselia, Ghastly, Bornard, Sizzlipede, a Reverse Hollow Eldergloss, and an Orangaroo foil. As always, I keep all the hollows separate because hang on. There we go. That should be better. Trucks going past, and it's quite a loud truck too. So I forgot to close my windows. I remember once upon a time I opened a whole box of this. I opened a whole box of this, but I didn't upload it for some reason. I was just, well, both me and my brother opened a box, so, well, we both bought a box, so I decided to, let's open it together, why not? So, well, we got 10 packs of Darkness Ablaze to go through. Oh, it's like I'm opening a mini box. I was planning on trying to get some Evolving Skies, but my local game shop still doesn't have any. So, that's going to be a layer date video, which I actually wanted to do this week, but that was postponed. So when I get the sets, I will definitely upload the ETBs. Okay, we got Unpheasant and a normal Spiritomb. Like, I wonder, like, my chances, I guess, are pretty high to pull a full art. Oh, Milo. I think Milo is probably one of the best cards in this, one of the best supporters in this set. Because you discard up to 2 cards. For every 2 cards you discard, you draw like 4. So it's actually pretty nuts. Okay, we have Reverse Hollow Arcanine that looks pretty sick. Do we have anything other shiny? Oh, we have a full art Cinderace. Oh, I have a full art, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I actually just had sleeves. Where did I? Oh, yeah, it's actually still in here. Still in my little box. There we go. So yeah. Again, some nice white sleeves for Cinderace. I'm pretty sure I opened a Cinderace last time I opened up Darkness Ablaze. So that's actually pretty cool. We got our first full art, which I want to say is like a very common full art. I don't know if the card was ever any good, to be honest. It had an ability, I think, if the stadium was in play. If stadium's in play, it has no retreat cost. Look, I'll be very careful with this pack. For some reason, I can't get all the cards down. There we go. Also, they're bringing back dragon types in Evolving Skies, so dragon cards are coming back. There's still no fairies, there's still psychics. We got a homage, and oh, we have a gold big charm, ladies and gentlemen. I haven't pulled a gold in ages. A couple of days ago, I think I pulled a rainbow. Yeah, that's actually pretty sweet. We have a big charm. Nice. Dude, so far, Dark Side Ablaze. Oh. You've been a godsend. You've been actually pretty good to me so far. Let's hope it keeps up. I do want to play more Pokemon. I haven't been able to play it for a while. I do need to get, like, upgrade my deck. Oh, we have a Rookidee Hollow. And we have a full art Salamence. Oh, again with the full art, ladies and gentlemen. Ferret has blessed me today. Where are you, Ferret? You're here somewhere. Where are you? Oh God, Ferret has blessed me today. I will keep you here in sight so you can bless me more. Oh, that Salamence looks sick. I'm actually really happy. Salamence is one of my, it's actually probably my favorite dragon type. I'm a third gen little snit. I'm a little snit for third gen because it's my favorite gen. It's what I grew up watching. My first actual Pokemon game was like Diamond, but I'm still a little green, a little third gen snit. So, what else can we pull? Can we get lucky again? We have the Moon, Lunatone, and actually, it's a Hollow Milotic. Milotic is one of my favorite. I have a whole list of favorite Pokemon. Actually, I've got like a little frame that I'm gonna fill with 50 of my favorite Pokemon, so it's in the works. What other like full arts are in Darkness Ablaze? I want to say that's got money. What's the old form of Sisilabede? I can't recall its name. I know I used it. I even used it on my Nuzlocke. I called him oh God, I don't even remember what he's called. Oh, this is sad. Huh. I'm sure the name will come up. Well, it's yeah, him. I actually can't remember his name now. That's a little bit of annoying. Clink. And a regular Flygon. Do so far we haven't even pulled a regular V card. We've just been pulling full arts. I wonder, would this be the set where I get Charizard? Maybe. Oh, third. There you are. Oh, this pack has wished me good luck. Okay. We have a reverse holo Toxel. And we have a regular Lugia. Okay, well, pop these here. Yeah, that's all the, well, this is the last pack from my Zamazenta box. So, can I get lucky? Okay, we have a reverse holo. And we just have a regular for Corona. Now for the 5 packs from the Zacian box. I don't know why I can never remember Zacian. I got Zamazenta just I personally think Zamazenta has the best art. Well, best Pokemon design out of Zamazenta and Zacian. I just think it looks better. Okay, we have a holo Vulpix, nice. And we have a Toxicity V. We do indeed have our first V. So I'll pop this down here. So that's our first non-foil, well, non-full art V. So let's see what else we can get. Bronzor, Mo Truth, Ludicolo. I can't see Ludicolo the same after watching Detective Pikachu. I just can't, nor Mr. Mime. I can't look at them in the same way. And a regular Alcremie. Anyone else a bit freaked out from Detective Pikachu? I know it's been out for a couple of years now, but I just can't get over how it looks. How they made the Pokemon look. So creepy. My poor boy. Okay, we have a Chandelure. Do we have anything shinier underneath? Nope, a regular box now. Okay. Simisage. Simipour. Mareep. Pass. Now a first holo bunny. And a Wigglytuff, which is also quite a pain to go up against in Pokemon Unite. Playing a couple games, and yeah, Wigglytuff is kind of annoying, but it's fine. I play a lot of like God of War and Ninetales. Oh. Also, I just had my second jab today, so I feel like tomorrow or later tonight my arm is literally going to kill. So I'm looking forward to that, so I'm moving my arms as much as I can right now. Okay. Dino. Minion. Vanillite. We have... oh. Hang on, guys. Okay. Okay, back. Just an Amazon arrived. So yeah, got Rose, and we got the elephant. Okay. Oh, Bear was upstairs. That's why. My doggo was upstairs, which is a clear indication that someone was at the door because he just kept barking. So yeah. After this pack, we have 2 more packs of Darkness Ablaze. Galarian Duomaka, which is now in Pokemon Go. The same with Galarian Ponytail. That's the Centric Mallet, Squill, I can never really remember how to pronounce this guy's name. Got anything more shiny? Oh, we have Grimmsnarl V. Grimmsnarl has to be the most pulled, well, must be my most pulled Pokemon card while opening Sword and Shield sets. It just has to be. I opened so many of them. I've opened a couple shinies before when I was opening up Shining Fates. And I've pulled a couple of these while I was doing my I'm pretty sure I opened a box of Dark Blaze once upon a time. I don't think I ever fully released it. I had the file, but some things came up and then it just lingered there and I forgot I even had it. Hippo Baton, which is a very powerful hippo. And we have a Surfetch. Okay, last Sword and Shield. Can we pull a rainbow or can we pull a gold? Because we pulled a yeah, we pulled a gold. Can we pull a rainbow? Good Ursaring. Buskin. Got a Hollow Blade is going to be nice. Now we got a Hollow Agon and we have Galarian Damanitan. Okay, and now that's left is our 6 packs of Vivid Voltage. I don't remember opening much of Vivid Voltage. I don't really know what cards are in here, honestly. I may have only opened up a couple of packs while opening up other like little V boxes. Nice looking Charmander and a Fortress. Probably a Pikachu would be kind of cool. It's Charmeleon. Eevee, we had his community day a couple weeks ago. Shuppet, or actually having a Ben and Ever become cool. And we have a Hollow Dusknoir and a Hollow Sandile. Oh, I literally just flipped the pack over me. Last pack of Vivid Voltage from Zamazenta. Okay. So, let's see if we can pull something big. Pull something extra shiny. Oh, Gargantua and Dolphin. Now there's left 3 packs from Zacian. It would be cool if I somehow got a misprint card. Oh, Riolu. I don't think I've ever really had a misprint. Never really pulled one. Oh, another Gargantua and a Flareon. Okay. Come on, feeling lucky. Third, please bless me. Okay, we got a reverse hollow Flareon, and we have ourselves a Colossal VMAX. Drop. Yeah, let's sleeve you. Why not? I don't think you're very good, but still, you're VMAX, so you will go there. Last pack. Let's see if we can pull a rainbow. Come on, please let me pull a rainbow. I'll be all good and happy if we pull a single rainbow. Or another gold. The damn garbage. Legit garbage. But end of the day, we did pull 2 full arts and a gold and a VMAX. But more importantly, we have these sick looking gold Zamazenta and Zacian V cards, which just look amazing. So yeah, thank you everyone to stopping by, watching the video, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. I'm really hoping that next video is going to be me opening up some Evolving Skies. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.